with the rebound. Pagaran for three. And there you go. Chris Pagaran gets on the board.
Nagkaroon na ng minutes yung ibang mga players niya.
Pataas yung pasa pero nakuha pa rin ni Pagaran. Pagaran gets it back. Pagaran ready to shoot. And he scores.
Mata ni Coach Olsen. Guard pa man din yan, syempre.
Pagaran, baseline. And Nunez with a counter steal. Pagaran for three. Chris Pagaran, another one.
Pampanga talaga, lalakas tumalo, nakahaba ng mga player.
Pagaran, floater. Nunez, offensive rebound. Pagaran, corner triple.
Basta.
Oh, what a cut. What a cut and what a finish by Pagaran.
Hindi lang jump shot. He can move without the ball. Yan ang ganda ng pagkakompleto nitong player na to. Si Pagaran, nakita niya, good screen coming from Nunez. Ayun. Paano mo bablakin yun?
Estrada, blocked by Pagaran. And Pagaran and Estrada staring down each other. But Pagaran getting the better of Estrada here.
Oo. Meron talagang rivalry sila dito. Masakit yung triple overtime eh. Talagang iniinda ng perpetual. Kaya kami naman ngayon. Siguro.